gorgeous. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing well as well here. So today I have a mini haul to share with you guys. Before I jump into this mini haul, I want to welcome the new subscriber. You are so welcome. And I've been viewing this women or people on Instagram. They have this kind of good looking dad sneakers, and I was like, oh my god, those sneakers, they will look good on my 90s jeans that I have now. And I was like, oh my god, where can I get them? The boutique that I always go, they always have something for me. So when I saw the shoes and I asked for 38, they didn't have it. Normally when it comes to sneakers, I go to 39, but they told me these shoes run true to size, and they didn't have 39, they didn't have 38. No, they had 39, they didn't have 38. So I tried 39, it was really big on me. I couldn't even try to buy it because it was really big. Otherwise I could add in extra sole and then it could be somehow okay. But then I was like, no, if they don't have my size, I know there's a next time. So she told me, no, we can still order for you if you want the shoes. And I was like, okay, you do that. And then she ended up ordering the shoes, and I got the call today in the morning, and they have your shoes here, so you have to come and try them. If you like them, you can purchase. If you don't, it's okay. This is true unboxing. Here I got my first ever trendy sneakers. I don't think if my Vegas are trendy sneaker. I don't know, it says Axel Arigato. Let me call it like that at the moment. And this is the shoe tag, the number and everything. I guess also the size. Yeah, this is size 38 US 7.6 UK 6. You can see it there, and the item code and the color, white leather, it says here. And I paid 295 Swiss francs. Yeah, I got these shoes and I was so happy. Actually, last year when I saw the Balenciaga track, I saw the shoes, I went on and I tried the Balenciaga track sneakers, but then the price was, oh no, not now, not at the moment, maybe in the future. But when I saw this online, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere, these shoes are really the dupes of Balenciaga. Even though this is the brand on its own, Axel Arigato, I hope I'm saying the name right. High quality of dust bag I've never seen before. This is a affordable brand, but the quality of the dust bag, it's really amazing. And it has this white, kind of off-white yellow lining. So my sneakers. So it comes with 3 cards that says the future is you, time is fake, love is real, dreams give you power. Oh my god, these are really good cards. Love them. And you can stick them wherever you want, because this is a removable. I've never seen someone talking about these cards, but it's okay. So you can remove them and then stick them wherever you want to stick them. So they're so useful. Anyway, you are here because of the sneakers. Let me see if they have something else. So this is just the shoes, the shoe protector, because when I pay them, I thought they are wasting my time to kind of pack it back. I just told them, look, just put everything back and let me go. So this is the shoes. Oh my goodness. If you have Balenciaga track, you can do a comparison, or you can see this Arigato with them. But I don't have Balenciaga tracks. This is really a beautiful shoes, and everything up here, it's leather. This you can see, it's a leather. And it has this mesh, or kind of, this reminds me of honey checked, you know, the honey or the bee, the bees, that how they make the honey. So this reminds me of that. Super clean. I love these sneakers, and they have kind of three, and it is on the gray and white color. Love it. And it has this kind of slim from outside looking black line. Oh my god, it has the logo there. And these shoes, I can tell you, they are heavy. And it has the logo back here. It says Arigato. I love these shoes. The logo here. And it has the sizing also inside. And it says Axel Arigato. Made in Portugal. The shoes were made in Portugal, handmade in Portugal. There, I don't know if you can be able to see it. Yeah, so if you have them, you can read them inside, you can see. Wow, this is a handmade. I'm surprised for the price as well, because anything I know it's handmade, it must be really expensive. And Balenciaga, I don't think if they are handmade. I don't have them, and I've never seen or heard anybody talking about Balenciaga shoes that they are handmade or something. But these ones are handmade in Portugal, style number and European size 38, UK 5, US 7.5, and then GP 235 there. So these are my first and most expensive sneakers that I own, because I paid 300 Swiss francs. I mean, 295 Swiss francs is for me 300, and this will be, or it is, the first ever expensive sneakers that I have. The other ones like Veja and normal Nike that I have, they're below 200. I can say they are my luxury sneakers, most expensive sneakers in my shoe collection. Love them, love them. I cannot wait to style them. Yay! I cannot wait to style these shoes, guys. Like, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so that you don't miss any of my videos. For now, bye.